Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Himangi. We are dealing with the topic integers. Grade 6 chapter number 6 is integers. Grade 7 chapter number 1 is integers. Basic concepts of integers are useful for higher education. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next videos. These are the subtopics I am going to cover in today's video. So let us start with the today's topic. Negative of a negative is positive. This is just the recap of last video. So negative of a negative is positive. So negative of a negative 3 will become positive 3. Negative of a negative 9 will become positive 9. Negative of a negative is positive 13. Positive of a positive is positive. There is no negative sign. So definitely the answer will be positive. Let us take few examples for this. So positive of a positive is positive 5. Positive of a positive is positive 4. Positive of a positive is positive 7. Positive of a positive is positive 18. Positive of a positive is positive 32. Next one is negative of a positive or positive of a negative is negative. What does it mean? If any one sign is negative, the answer will be negative. Any one sign is negative either inside the bracket or outside the bracket. If any one sign is negative, answer will be negative. So let us take few example for this also. So one sign is negative, so the answer is negative. Again one sign is negative, so the answer is negative. Again one sign is negative, so the answer will be negative 19. Again one sign is negative, so the answer will be negative. So this is the very important concept. Negative of a negative is positive. Positive of a positive is positive. Negative of a positive or positive of a negative is negative. Addition for more than two integers. Last video we have done addition for two integers. Now today's video we will see how to add more than two integers. So let us see the steps. These are the integers you are supposed to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 integers are there. If we will take two integers, it will take lots of time to solve. So there is a one easiest method how to add this. So write all the negative numbers in one bracket. So which are the negative numbers? -4, -3, -9. We will write down in one bracket. And then the next step, put plus sign between two brackets. So it means we are going to make another bracket also. So the first thing we will put this plus sign and then write all the positive numbers in another bracket. So which are the positive numbers? 5, then 1 and then 6. We will write down these numbers in one bracket. So what we have learned, write all the negative numbers in one bracket, put plus sign and then write down all the positive numbers in one bracket. Some of you can say we just want to write positive numbers first. So this is your choice. Here you can write down all the positive numbers, then plus and another bracket you can write down all the negative numbers. But for the grade 6 students, writing negative number first is more easier way. Otherwise this is your choice. Now in this bracket you can see here the signs are same, add the number, signs are different, subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So look at this bracket, signs are same, add the numbers. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 9 will be 16, greater number sign will come in the answer, this will become -16. Then this plus sign. Now in this bracket again signs are same, add the numbers, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, greater number sign will come in the answer plus 12. Now positive of a positive is positive, so -16 plus 12, signs are different, subtract the number, the answer is 4, greater number sign will come in the answer, so the answer will be -4. So whatever we have done in the last video, all the things we are using here, only with the new concept. The first one, write all the negative numbers in one bracket plus write all the positive numbers in another bracket, and then we will use the concept from the last video. So let us take few examples. Simplify. So again we will make, whenever more than two signs are there, always make two brackets. One bracket for all the negative numbers plus then all numbers, all positive numbers. In this bracket signs are same, add the number, greater number sign will come in the answer, so that is minus 15, and here all signs are same, 5 plus 1 will give you 6. Signs are different, subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So the answer is minus 9. Find the value of question, may ask in different way. Add the integers, simplify, find the value of. If more than one sign is there, always we write down all the positive numbers in one bracket, all the negative numbers in one bracket, and before that if such type of questions are there, so first we will solve this. So here negative of a negative will become positive 2, positive of a positive is positive 4, negative of a positive, if any one sign is negative we will write down minus sign, again any one sign is negative we will write down minus sign. Now write all the negative numbers in one bracket, so minus 3, minus 9, minus 5 will be in one bracket. I have just written everything closer. Then now write down this in one bracket, positive numbers in another bracket. Signs are same, add the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So 9 plus 3 will give you 12, 12 plus 5 will be 17, minus 17 plus 4 plus 2 will give you 6. Now signs are different, subtract the numbers, 17 minus 6 will give you 11, greater number sign will come in the answer, so the answer will be minus 11. Decimals, grade 6 chapter number 8 is decimals, grade 7 chapter number 2 is decimals. Total 6 plus 3, 9 videos are ready to watch for this different subtopics. Part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Decimal is a very important chapter, so please do watch these videos and leave your comment whether I am able to deliver my concept or not, my content or not. So which number is greater and by how much? Again very important concept. So let's take a small example to understand this concept. Ria has 3 chocolates and Sia has 5 chocolates. Who has more chocolates and by how much? So by observation here you can see that Sia has more chocolates. How many more chocolates? 5 minus 3, it means 2 more chocolates. So we are subtracting greater number minus smaller number. So let us do the same thing now here. Who has more chocolates? Step 1 and then step 2 comparison. So by how much? Step 2, and here we will find out the difference. Who has more chocolates? Step 1 we will just do the comparison. Who has more chocolates? Sia has more chocolates. To find out how much, we will find the difference. How to find difference? Greater number minus smaller number. This concept is useful for fractions as well as decimal. If same type of questions are given in fraction or decimal, the way of solving will be same. So let us take few example. Which is greater and by how much? Minus 12 or minus 9. So the step 1 comparison, minus 12 or minus 9. Which one is greater? Always your right hand side number is greater. Minus 9 is on the right hand side. So minus 9 is greater as it is on my right hand side. Now step 2, find difference. How to find difference? Greater number minus smaller number. So which number is greater? Minus 9. So minus 9 is there. Minus sign, this minus sign, and smaller number. Which is smaller number? Minus 12. Number goes with the sign. And whenever two negative signs are there, we put the next number with sign in bracket. Now we will use negative of a negative is positive. Now signs are different. Subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So this is plus 3. So very easy. Already other steps we have done in the earlier video or earlier slides. What is the new concept over here? How to find difference? Greater number minus smaller number. Which is greater and by how much? Now here this is given with the two numbers. So first we need to solve this. You will get integers and then we will do comparison. So first thing, minus 9 minus 5 or this number. So first we will solve this. Signs are same, add the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So this minus 14. Now here negative of a negative will become positive, minus 9 plus 5. Signs are different. Subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So this is minus 4. Now step 1, which is greater, do comparison. Which number is on right hand side? Minus 4 is on right hand side. So minus 4 is greater. Now step 2, difference. How to find difference? Greater number minus smaller number. So which number is greater? Minus 4. So here first write down minus 4. Then this minus sign. And which is the smallest number? Minus 14 is the smallest number. Number goes with the sign. So here we will write down minus 14. Two minus signs are there. So this number we will write down in bracket. Negative of a negative will become positive. Now signs are different. Subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So the answer will be plus 10. Easy, very easy. Now take another example, which is smaller and by how much? Minus 19 or 9. So first step, comparison. Which number is greater? Which number is on the right hand side? Minus 9. So the question is which is smaller. So the left hand side is number is smaller. So minus 19 is smaller. So whatever question is asked, you are supposed to write down answer in this form. Earlier question, which number is greater? So we were writing about the greater number. But here which is smaller? So we will write about the smaller number. So which number is on the left hand side? Minus 19. So minus 19 is the smaller. Difference, greater number minus smaller number. So which number is greater? If minus 19 is smaller, so definitely minus 9 will be greater. So write down this minus for minus and the number is minus 19. Number goes with the sign. So minus 19. Two negative signs are there. So this number we will write down in bracket. Now negative of a negative will become positive. Signs are different. Subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. So the answer is plus 10. Grade 6, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with number, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shapes, 5 subtopics, fractions, 10 subtopics, decimal, 9 subtopics. Complete chapter with subtopics are ready to watch, and please note, part 1 link is given in the description. Link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now the time is for word problem. The base of an iceberg is 7 km below the sea level. The top is 10 km above the base. How much high above the sea level is the tip of the iceberg? Okay, so I have used here different color so that you can write down the statements according to that. So the first statement will be the base of an iceberg is equal to 7 km below sea level. Below means this is negative number, so minus 7 km. The top of the iceberg is 10 km above the base. 10 km above the base means from minus 7. So here this will be plus 10 km. Now just look at this figure. This is an iceberg. What is given? This is at the minus 7 and this is 10 km from the iceberg. From the base, the tip of the iceberg is 10 kilometer. It means that this total distance is 10 kilometer. How much high above the sea level? This is your sea level. How much is this much? This much is minus 10. This is minus 7 and this one is 10. This is your sea level. So how much is the length of this part? This you are supposed to find. Okay, so let us do that. The height of the tip of an iceberg above the sea level is equal to, this is total is 10. From 10 we will subtract this greater number minus smaller number. Here we are doing, so 10 minus 7 will give you 3 kilometer. So the height of the iceberg above the sea level is 3 kilometer plus 3 kilometer. Now the same question is asked in different way. The base of the iceberg is 7 kilometer below the sea level. The top is 10 kilometer above the sea level. How much high is the tip of the iceberg from the base of the iceberg? So base of the iceberg is 7 kilometer below the sea level. Below means this is minus 7. 10 kilometer above, this means plus 10. And now look at the question. This is the iceberg. This minus 7, this is the sea level. Actually this is the sea level. This one is the sea level. This is minus 7 and this is plus 10 because this is above the sea level. Okay, so what is your question? How much high, more or less means you need to find out difference. So difference is equal to greater number minus smaller number. Which number is greater over here? 10. Which number is smaller over here? Minus 7. And again two signs, we cannot keep it in one place, so write down this in bracket. So negative of a negative will become positive and the answer will be 17 kilometer. So this total height from the base, this is 17 kilometer. So the questions are near about same, but whatever information is given, you need to read it carefully, think about that and then solve. Take one more word problem. The sum of two integer is minus 10. If one of them is minus 4, find the other integer. Let us take small example to understand this word problem. The sum of two integer is 10. If one of them is 4, find the other integer. So how we will solve? 10 minus 4 will give you 6. What does it mean? Sum minus given number. This is 10. 10 means what? 10. 10 is the sum. My 4 is one integer. So subtract the given integer to get the number. Okay, so start writing the statement. The sum of the integer is minus 10. One integer is minus 4. Therefore, other integer. So you can use this formula, sum minus given integer. So what is the sum over here? Minus 10 minus given integer is minus 4. Two negative signs are there. So this we will write down in one bracket. Now next negative of a negative will become positive. Signs are different. Subtract the number. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6. Greater number sign will come in the answer. So the answer will be minus 6. Thank you for watching my today's video. These are my upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to watch my next video.